How to fix Telegram only sends messages to mutual contacts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve the Telegram's mutual contact problem. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, if Telegram is giving you that you can only send a message to a mutual contact whenever you open the Telegram app, you're getting this issue because Telegram has flagged or restricted your account due to previous activity or being a virtual number. So basically what happens is Telegram has restricted your account, right? Now, in order to fix this, you can just try to create a new account or try to contact the support, because once the account has been restricted, unless you contact the support team, you will not be able to go ahead and then get in touch. So you can go to ask question, or you can also go to this ask a volunteer option right here. You can tap on start and simply ask them what you can do about this. Now, sometimes the best thing you can do is wait, because these restrictions also get automatically lifted sometimes, right? So there's really no need for you to do anything, and you can just wait to see if the restriction gets removed from your account. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.